Hello, I'm Karen Miller, a physical therapist assistant, and today I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the height of your cane and how to walk with it. In standing, put your hand along the side and notice the top of the cane falls above the wrist. To properly align, your top of your cane should fall right at the height of your wrist. With a simple turn, and depress the button and slide the top of the cane towards the base and make sure you tighten the base. And now the cane is properly aligned to my height. The cane should go in the hand opposite of the weaker leg. So in this scenario, my left leg is the weaker leg and my cane is on my right side. You want to first advance the cane about 6 inches, take a step with the weaker side, and advance your other leg. Again, 6 inches forward and step with the weaker leg and then advance your other leg. Make sure you apply light pressure to the cane to alleviate the weight on the weaker leg. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found our information helpful. If your pain persists, please contact your physician.